Hello guys, welcome to Plutus IAS Academy. This is AKSHAY GURUBHAIYE, Faculty of Geography. So as usual, I am here with a new question that will help you to understand how to approach UPSC answer writing. देखो, this series we have started with on demand as कि सर आंसर राइटिंग कैसे करना है particularly for those questions, and this is my core area as like say geography, so I am here with the geography questions in particular. And this answer writing, okay, will help you to understand the way you are supposed to proceed with the question and answer as well. It is not merely about answer. See, जो आप इस वीडियो को जब एंड तक देखोगे तो आपको ये रियलाइज होगा दैट क्वेश्चंस कैसे रीड करने हैं, आंसर किस वे से राइट करना है, अप्रोच कैसी होनी चाहिए, एंड साइमल्टेनियसली एट द एंड यू विल फाइंड सम मॉडल आंसर दोज आर रिटन बाय मी एज वेल. ठीक है, तो दिस होल वीडियो इज व्हाट ए कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ not merely about answer writing, it's as well a combination of a how to read a question. क्योंकि देखो guys, question answer writing better way में करने के लिए at least on the ground which UPSC expect, for that matter आपको question भी तो समझना होगा, और अगर क्वेश्चन ही सही से नहीं समझ पाओगे, believe me, आंसर से डिमांड फुलफिल कहाँ से कर पाओगे. So it is pretty much clear that in order to address the real demand, you first have to understand the real question, and then approach to solve that particular question or answer are writing as, and then say model answer is as well with you. So I'll assure you कि अगर आप एंड तक देखोगे तो आपको इस पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चन को, जिसमें हम हर एक पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चन डिस्कस कर रहे हैं ऑफ द पास्ट ईयर्स एग्जामिनेशन, सो विल बी हैविंग ए बेटर आइडिया अबाउट दैट पर्टिकुलर थिंग. ओके, सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग मच ऑफ टाइम, से वी शैल स्टार्ट नाउ द डिस्कशन. सो टुडेज क्वेश्चन, एज ऑलरेडी आई टोल्ड यू, दैट इज से फॉर दिस UPSC 2022 GS1, and this question is again not from very odd area or like say very odd domain, as this question is again from the what is happening in the current affairs, because you know the government of India is having a very drive, okay, or thrust for renewable energy development, and just based on this fact, because Prime Minister, okay, and the government of India has released many green commitments, okay, or has many green commitments like Panchamrita agreement है, या जो हमने net zero commitment submit किए, okay. So in line with this question you will find that was asked in examination 2022. So see, question क्या है, examine the potential of wind energy. देखो यहाँ पे है key area is wind energy. I told you कि question ऐसा नहीं होता कि the whole question you will find is the whole important. You only need to understand or highlight the key terms over there, जिससे आपको आंसर राइटिंग में हेल्प रहेगी. ठीक है, तो एरिया देखो हमारा है विंड एनर्जी, दैट इज व्हाट द क्वेश्चन और आंसर मस्ट रिवॉल्व अराउंड दिस एरिया इन इंडिया. ठीक है, दैट इज व्हाट टिपिकली अबाउट इंडिया, एंड एक्सप्लेन द रीजंस फॉर देयर लिमिटेड स्पेशल स्प्रेड. सो सी, the question is asking for two or having a two demand one, examine the potential, and obviously it is for wind energy in India, and demand 2 is that the question itself has mentioned that there is a limited spread of wind energy development or generation in India. ठीक है, तो आपको ये तो बताना ही नहीं है कि wind energy generation कम है, मतलब yeah, we need to substantiate this fact, no doubt, but at least that framer has made your task easy. कि आपको ये बताना नहीं है कि ये कम है, पहले ही बताया कि लिमिटेड स्पेशल स्प्रेड है, ओके, जियोग्राफिकल स्पेस और डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन. यू नीड टू राइट अबाउट दिस रीजंस फॉर लिमिटेड स्प्रेड. So first, in a partial way, write a data or fact about it, how this wind energy generation is concise or it is confined within some boundaries only, and you then the focus should be on reasons. Okay, the reasons you need to write for. So as you know, UPSC is looking for a multi-dimensional answer. तो मल्टी डिमेंशनल आंसर के लिए जितने नंबर ऑफ डिफरेंट डिमेंशंस वाले पॉइंट ऐड करोगे, यू विल फाइंड दैट इज व्हाट इवैल्यूएटर इज गेटिंग समहाउ इम्प्रेस्ड विथ, राइट? क्योंकि अल्टीमेटली बीइंग एन एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर हमको वो ही चीज उसको मल्टीपल वेज में अंडरस्टैंड करनी है. सो दैट इज व्हाट दिस डेमो एज फिर. सी, अब इंट्रोडक्शन कैसे करेंगे फिर? एज सिंपल व्हाट for introduction you are having multiple say ways as such. You just could introduce with number of ways, but what I personally feel, as the question is asking for wind energy potential in India, it's better to state the present, okay, present status of wind energy. कितनी produce हो रही है इंडिया में, okay, present status of this wind energy. Then say however, say what is the ultimate potential of India. What is the ultimate potential of India, right? क्योंकि अभी यहाँ पे fully address नहीं करना है. It's just because the main body you are supposed to. It will ask for 10 mark, 150 words. So we have that ample scope. Say introduction, like say 25 to 30 words, okay with no issues. 20 to 30 words, right? क्योंकि बहुत exact pinpointed हम count नहीं कर पाएंगे, but still that way. Then the main body is main body. You will find present status. देखो और भी कुछ वे हो सकते हैं. Now everyone will find के different ways of introduction, but see यहाँ पर आप in general you can write about the commitments or any statement or code given by a prime minister or any other ministry of renewable energy that particular report has, or maybe by any international organization. You can attach with that particular code as well. ठीक है, over here you can quote this. So it's up to you, but I personally feel कि present status अगर दोगे तो आप that will be helpful to address the part demand 2 as well and demand 1 as well. ठीक है, 1. So main body, as you know, now main body is having what scope for 100 words. 100 words, okay, 90 to 100 words. So it means you have to address two parts. 50 words, 50-60 words, that is fair enough. Okay, you are not supposed to override that limit because कि हमको 150 words से कम ही आंसर राइट करना है. Anyway. Okay, so main body, like say in the first part you need to write, say the potential of wind distribution in India. Potential of wind distribution. I am not going to discuss immediately क्योंकि मॉडल आंसर में आपको वो और भी फैक्ट रिलेटेड जो चीज़ है वो दिख जाएगी, but still. So potential of wind energy in India, you need to draw. See, question is basically of geography, so it is incomplete. I personally feel for this question in the absence of map. So where you will find the potential of energy in India, you have to show it by means of map. Okay, so draw a map, write different areas in potential. What are the different say substantiation by means of any report है, yeah, again kind of a data that say that is with you. You need to mention those data. Okay, second part है, though don't switch immediately. Okay, don't switch immediately. Potential से आप जाओगे सीधे सीधे limited special district. Yes, write instead a linking statement here. Linking statement in the sense, though India has a huge potential and we are trying best for it, okay, or the government of India is trying to develop it, but the major wind potential is lying with the states, Gujarat, Tamil Nadu, or say the coastal state, and this limited spread is due to. देखो कनेक्ट हो गया. Now if you are going to write it or switch it randomly, okay, like say potential address here, immediately the next heading is limited spread, the reason for. So are you getting that? Gives you a disconnect. The two bodies, it seems like they are what, the two parts of the main body, it seems like they are discrete. Okay, they are what, disconnected. So the thing is, have a linking statement there. Then second part, reasons for. रीजंस यू कैन राइट एनीवे. 10 मार्कर है तो आप डायग्राम भी ड्रॉ कर सकते हो, सन डायग्राम है या कोई माइक्रो डायग्राम्स ड्रॉ करके कर सकते हो. इट्स अप टू यू, वट एवर यू फील कंफर्टेबल विद एंड द काइंड ऑफ कंटेंट यू आर हैविंग विद, it depends on. Okay, so reasons like say whatever, like say due to natural limited potential, geographical factors है, or investment limitations है, or state policies as over there, technological limitations है, and all other factor. Northeastern states में अगर हो तो accordingly you will find they are having limited potential. You can write this way. Okay, okay, you will find in the model answer as well written by me. So this reasons, okay, as I am telling you again, multi-dimensional reasons are appreciated. क्योंकि अगर डाइवर्स अगर आर्ग्यूमेंट्स लिखोगे तभी वो आंसर कंप्लीट फील होगा. Okay, 4 to 5 different dimensional point that makes your answer then complete, and at the end conclusion. Again 20 to 25 words you need to write over here and try to connect it over here with the current affairs. ठीक है, देखो यहाँ पर भी आप जैसे करंट अफेयर्स कनेक्ट कर सकते हो पोटेंशियल में, या अगर कोई गवर्नमेंट की स्कीम्स है इन दिस रिगार्ड, जैसे नेशनल ऑफशोर विंड पॉलिसी और प्रधानमंत्री पंचामृत पॉलिसी जिसमें हमने रिन्यूएबल एनर्जी के कुछ कमिटमेंट्स दिए है, ओके, और द काइंड ऑफ रूफटॉप विंड प्रोग्राम, राइट, जो पॉलिसी हमारी है. तो अकॉर्डिंगली you can write over here that the kind of initiative government of India or the different state governments are say taking for ultimately the achievement or to fulfill the gap between potential and the real time wind generation, so that we are trying to fill that gap by all possible means. देखो conclusion, it should be optimistic in that way. So see, I think now guys you are having say a broad idea about, right, कि how to approach this particular question. Question की पहले need समझनी है हमको, what question is asking for, and try to make your every part that maintains the balance with its earlier part. Don't try to like say your answer should not look like that is what highly what discrete in the sense कि हर कोई answer जो है आपका वो एक disconnected way में. No, every part it should have some interlinking with the earlier part and even with the next part as well. Okay, so see this how to approach this question or the kind of model answer. Examine the potential of wind energy in India and explain the reasons for their limited spatial state. Now nature of question you will find that is theory plus analysis and current affair based है ये question. Structure क्या होना चाहिए, already I have written. See answer, India is a tropical country. See geography, I try to add again geography क्योंकि question geography का है, तो if that way you are writing that is absolutely appreciated. And vast area 32 lakh square kilometer has huge potential with wind energy. See directly introduction is with the wind energy. Okay, I haven't tried to like say to bit around the bush कि पहले मैं renewable energy बता दूँ फिर wind energy पे आऊँ फिर मैं उसके बाद potential बता दूँ. No, better directly address because the word limit is there, time limit is there. Okay, so in that case say directly with the wind energy. Wind energy has been effective driver of India's renewable energy commitments with 40 gigawatts of installed capacity. See I have given the present status as well. Yes, तो देखो introduction, I feel कि introduction is somehow more aligned with the what you are going to write further or what अगर introduction से भी मैं question को read करना चाहूँ तो somehow it finds a connect with. Yes, next point है, next main body, wind energy potential of the country. See India has two different types of wind potential. Okay, एक तो है continental और एक है offshore wind potential. Now it's like say अगर देखो और भी अगर like say if you try to break into the part, absolutely it is appreciated because examiner then will understand your clarity, okay, the depth of your understanding. So continental, yeah, like say it is usually concentrated with the southern and western west and northwestern region, mainly contributing majority of India's commitment are satisfied and installed projects over in this region. See, yes, significance भी बता दिया क्योंकि यहाँ पर next question या next part है हमारा limited spatial state, because see इस particular part I had already mentioned that it has a limited spatial spread. This is what the kind of connect you need to ensure. क्योंकि अगर आपके आंसर डिस्क्रीट लगने लगेंगे, डिफरेंट लगने लगेंगे, एक लाइक से विद दोज ईच पार्ट, दैट इज नॉट ए होमोजीनियस आंसर. देन अगेन मैप इज देयर. आई टोल्ड यू कि मैप के लिए you need to write this way, okay, show those potential regions as well. Then also in northeast and hilly regions you will find that potential but which needs to be explored. I have given the present status because we are linking it for the potential, okay. And offshore wind is the resource which never realized before, and the country with 8,000 kilometers, 7,514 kilometers as of say that is wind, has enormous potential as mentioned under national offshore wind policy. देखो करंट भी कनेक्ट करना है, रियल टाइम कंडीशंस भी देनी है. आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड से इवन इफ दिस मॉडल आंसर इज रिटन आफ्टर एग्जामिनेशन, स्टिल कुछ पॉइंट्स ऐसे हैं जो दैट दोज पॉइंट्स मस्ट बी देयर इन योर आंसर. Then and only then it gives a sense of completion to evaluator. Okay, so next point, we are now going to address now demand 2. See how that linking statement works. With this view, government of India has set target to produce 100 gigawatt of energy by 2030. However, there are many hurdles, reasons for this less generation and limited spread. Okay, then reasons क्या है? Unidentified potential है, then difficulty in hilly terrains है, conflict over land resource and non-availability, क्योंकि ultimately establishment requires a land as a resource, then construction of buildings, urbanization, then boundary disputes limits the potential, strategic issues with the offshore wind, problem with wind energy, that is what noise and seasonality. So it then ultimately what you need to ensure, like say conclusion in a way that whatever now the problems with this, you have to further say in an optimistic way try to solve those problems. So see, try to connect it to the current affair with INDC's intended nationally determined contribution under Paris deal and Panchamrut, okay, Glasgow conference commitments in line. Country need to take effective measures to build strong wind base, okay, wind energy base. Promotion to private establishments, land leasing model, allowing investment, hybrid model, solar plus wind, etc. are, and more research for small scale generation and regional potential has to be taken. देखो solutions are, it seems further, I think solutions are multidimensional, कि वहाँ पे policy भी address हुआ है, private participation पे भी हुआ है, research and technology पे भी हुआ है, then again hybrid model पर भी हुआ है. So your arguments needs to be diverse enough. Okay, and then wind along with the solar are the two major drivers of India's green future of fossil fuel less growth. Yeah, some some keywords like say fossil fuel less growth, okay, or green growth, you need to write, you need to add in your answer as well. Catchy phrases that helps you again to fetch some marks. So I believe guys this particular discussion over answer writing is helping you a lot. Okay, so and even if you are having any doubt, so please let me know in the comment box, and if you like it, so please like it, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.